Juan here. So, this is gonna be our last video, so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to Lucy the Talking Dog, Pip the Wolfie, all those people on that channel. Of course, and also our new channel, Catzilla the Talking Cat. So, hopefully we have a good year this time. And this year is gonna be hopefully a good one. So, by the way, it's a joke. It's not really gonna be our last video. It's gonna be our last video of this year. So don't panic. And until next time, see you in the next one. Happy New Year.
Hey, it's Cat's turn. Lucy, not for you. Come here, Boris. Josie. Happy New Year, kitties. Go lay down, Josie. Okay, guys. Looks like kitty's enjoying it, so I'll be back with another cat. Okay, back with
Give it to
Juan.
me. Wow, this is so cool. I get Slurp-Ups.
You love that,
I love
Juan?
Slurp-Ups. It should be the only thing I ever eat. That's the best treat I've ever put in my mouth. So good.
Well, Lucy.
Some affection right now. And of course, Juan's food.
Okay, guys, I'll be back with another cat. Back with Poppy. After this, it'll be Catzilla then.
This
Go lay
is
down,
very
Lucy.
tasty. Nice. You should buy these more often.
Okay, so guys, I'll be back with Juan. I mean, no, not Juan. Catzilla. Okay, back with Catzilla. Oh, got some on my shirt. Hold on. Okay, catnip time. You first, Boris? Catzilla next. Here you go. And some for Poppy. Let's go get her. Juan doesn't like it, so I don't give him any.
Alexa, play music. Joan Sebastian.
Here you go. Hit the rest of. I'll try one, but here, I don't think you want it. There you go. Look at that catnip. Guys, time to get drunk. Like Catzilla says. And you forgot your treat too, Catzilla. Someone else is gonna eat it. If you don't eat it. Oh, Juan is actually using it. Juan, you like the catnip? Okay, so this, big hit. Catzilla gets crazy with it, Boris gets crazy, and Juan just got crazy with it. He doesn't really like catnip. He almost, every time I offer him catnip, he doesn't take it. Boris is going crazy over there. Catzilla wants more. And Juan's been going crazy, if you guys can see. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Juan, what happened? Need more light around. That's a thumbs up. Catzilla thinks it's a treat in my hand. Did he eat a treat? There's still some catnip here, guys. Lucy, go lay down. Look, Catzilla. There's still catnip there. Lucy, go lay down. I'll just leave you to that. Boris, he calm down. I need some light. Let me get my tablet. There's Juan, covered in catnip. Be careful with this stuff, guys, okay? Catzilla's getting drunk. You want some beer with that, Catzilla? Huh? You enjoy your little New Year's Eve treats? And catnip? You get catnip, you got treats. He's like, guys, I got catnip, I got treats. I'm the happiest cat ever. Lucy wants some attention. Like the diva. Give the attention to anyone else and she comes here and gets jealous. Any messages for the viewers, Catzilla? Oh, so cute. Oh, okay. Let's find Juan to end this thing. Is he around here? There he is. Juan, you have anything to say? Do you like this catnip one? I'm gonna have to buy it more often then.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to love, comment, and subscribe, and like, and comment. And until the next time, we'll see you in the next one. Happy New Year!